Good evening, parents. Welcome to our quick tutorial on how to book using our online booking system for the parents' evening. To start a booking, I'll start by entering my student number into this first little section over here. I made a dummy student for this demonstration, so I'll enter 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Click on the next button. Next, it's time to select the educator you want to see. Click on the drop-down and all the educators will be selected. I will choose Mr. Martin Botha. Click on Next. The available time slots for this educator will now be displayed. You will notice that the time slot between 6 o'clock and 10 past 6 is not being displayed. And that is because this educator has already got a booking there and is no longer available. Let's choose one of the available slots. Click on Next. Now it's time to select a subject. Since most educators teach more than one subject, it's important for us to know. Let's choose Information Technology. Click on Proceed to Confirmation. Once at Proceed to Confirmation, you will find a little summary of the booking that you have just made. Click on Book. Thank you. Your booking has been successfully made. If you click on Book Another, you will be taken back to the first page where you can start the process again to see a second and a third and a fourth educator. If you want to view the bookings you have already made, simply go to the second section here, enter the learner's student number, 12345 for my example, click on Next, and all the bookings made as well as the educators, their learner numbers, and the time slots will now be available on the web for you to print or to view on your phone while you're at the parents' evening. We hope to see you all there and wish you happy bookings. Thank you.